How to fix flash not working on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the flash issue on Snapchat in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So if you're experiencing issues with Snapchat flash, here is what you can do. So first, make sure that your battery is above 20 or 30% as a low charge can sometimes cause an issue. And the second option is to clear the Snapchat cache. To do that, simply long press on the Snapchat app icon and from the pop-up menu simply tap on App Info and you'll be prompted to the app settings. Once you are here, simply tap on the clear data option and from the pop-up menu simply tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. There is another method to clear cache inside the app too. To do that, simply open the Snapchat app and once you have opened it, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are here, simply scroll down until you see the option labeled as clear cache. And once you have located it, simply tap on clear cache and from the pop-up menu simply tap on continue. And after clearing cache, if it is still not working, then what you can do is just reinstall the Snapchat app. So to do that, simply delete the app and once you have deleted it, simply go to the Play Store and install the app back again. And by doing this, your Snapchat flash should be working smoothly. And that's all there is to it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.